Hey gang, welcome to Tuesday of GLAG Week.
Day 2!
Yeah, and we're still wearing the same clothes.
Yeah!
So today's essential question is on global learning. How can instructors facilitate global learning on campuses and in classrooms without leaving home? And I love this question, and I'm really excited about our presentations today. We have 3 different presentations on this topic. One I want to mention is a really interdisciplinary topic. It is a presentation by Dr. Hylam LaRue. He's going to be sharing with us about how he has worked with adults and youth to write poetry about food security. And so that just is a really cool integration of 2 different disciplines.
Everybody knows I love ag teachers, and I've dedicated my life to help advancing that teachers matter. So I have this vision and dream of all of our educators understanding that global learning, when we say the word global, it doesn't mean necessarily that you have to have a passport. And then that dream, when you showed me that presentation, the idea of visualizing ag teachers across the natures, walking across the nation, walking across the hall to the English teacher, to the art teacher, and saying, let's talk about food security in poetry. Let's talk about food security in composition. Let's create art around science. And that gets me excited.
Yeah, I love it. So we also have 2 great presentations today. One coming out of Honduras from Ashley Shunk, which is a really clever and fun presentation, and also really informative information coming out of the Asia Society and Heather Singmaster.
You're not going to want to miss that assessment, right? Everybody's wondering, how do I know if it made a difference? Heather's got some sweet stuff for us and resources that where Asia Society worked with the Association of Career and Technical Education, but we focus on free available resources, which leads us into our first 2 public site events of the year, where we have a site event with Nutrients for Life. Once again, some more free, great curriculum and sharing how we can connect that. Make sure you check that out. I believe that's at 4 o'clock Eastern.
4 o'clock Eastern time. Yes.
And then at 5 o'clock Eastern, if you're a pre-service candidate, if you're a college student who wants to dedicate their life to empowering youth in agriculture, we want to take you to Nepal. And so we have a public info session about Teach Ag Nepal and what that might look like.
Right, and that's at 5 o'clock Eastern time.
And then at 8, what do we get to do?
Directors Roundtable.
Directors Roundtable. Come see the uncut, behind the scenes. We'll see you at 8.
So we're doing all of these in one take. If you think they're fun, make sure you get and let us know on Twitter.
Oh!
You know I had to do that. And so we look forward to interacting with you throughout the day. Thanks.